Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing the wolf cut trend. So yeah, if y'all trying to see me chop off my hair, then stay tuned. Yeah guys, this is how my hair is looking. It's pretty uneven. I had bangs and then I had an undercut, so I have short pieces in the front and in the back, which I'm finna show y'all. This is just how long my hair is right now. So yeah, seen this trend on TikTok and I'm like, let me just try it out because my hair is already basically like this, so might as well chop these dead dry ends away. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch me cut my hair. I cut my hair mad times, so like the shock value for me is like over and done with. But I know other people like watching videos like this. I like watching stuff like this, so I decided to film it because I was gonna cut my hair anyway. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down more videos you would like to see down below. And I'm going to see you guys at my next one. Later.
Styrofoam cup, ain't no time wasted. It ain't what it is, it ain't what it ain't. All for the fam, all for the game. It ain't what it is, it ain't what it ain't. I pay them bills, and I shoot straight. Fucking me fake, all of the cake. Money on heads, cancel them debts. He posting pictures, but he post no threats. Go buy what you want, but can't buy respect. Fuck what they on, we ain't on that. I be on different shit, porta potties. Keep me a stick in the stony jacket. He ain't a plug, so he over texting. I made that plug, now I'm Michael Jackson. Yeah. Turn me to a smooth criminal. Power moves like Curtis Jackson. Ain't out of moves, I'm just relaxing. Yeah. Ain't out of moves, I'm just relaxing. It ain't what it is, ain't what it ain't. I did some sins, I ain't no saint. It ain't what it is, ain't what it ain't. I pay them bills, and I shoot straight. Drinking my styrofoam, I'm tryna slow time. I'm on the highway, man, I won't slow down. I'm having shit my way, yeah, I won't go now. Fucking your bitch, yeah, and she my hoe now. It ain't what it is, it ain't what it ain't. I did some sins, I'm not no saint. I pay them bills, and I shoot straight. All for the fam, and all for the gang. I'm tryna slow time. Drinking my styrofoam, I'm tryna slow time. I'm on the highway, man, I won't slow down. I'm having shit my way, yeah, I won't go now. Fucking your bitch, yeah, and she my hoe now. It ain't what it is, it ain't what it ain't. I did some sins, I'm not no saint. I pay them bills, and I shoot straight. All for the fam, all for the gang. I lost my bro, I can't let that go. I know they hide them, gon' find them though. I'ma stay small like my diamonds, bro. That is me, I'ma pass every test. That is me, I'ma get every check. Step into me, better stay correct. Damn. They really don't boil, they gon' call a ref. My shooters on call, they know every step. Got Cartiers on, I still shoot like Steph. She love my call on, she won't hold her breath. She gon' hold my hand and take every step. Diamonds on me, got this ice skin. Styrofoam cup, ain't no time wasted. It ain't what it is, it ain't what it ain't. All for the fam, all for the gang. It ain't what it is, it ain't what it ain't. I pay them bills, and I shoot straight. Fuckin' me fake, all of the cake. Money on heads, cancel them debts. He posting pictures, but he post no threats. Could buy what you want, but can't buy respect. Fuck what they on, we ain't on that. I be on different shit, porta potties. Keep me a stick in the stony jacket. He ain't a plug, so he over texting. I made that plug, now I'm Michael Jackson. Damn. Turn me to a smooth criminal. Power moves like Curtis Jackson. Ain't out of moves, I'm just relaxing. Yeah. Ain't out of moves, I'm just relaxing. It ain't what it is, ain't what it ain't. I did some sins, I ain't no saint. It ain't what it is, ain't what it ain't. I pay them bills, and I shoot straight. Drinking my styrofoam, I'm tryna slow time. I'm on the highway, man, I won't slow down. I'm having shit my way, yeah, I won't go now. Fucking your bitch, yeah, and she my hoe now. It what it is.